Today in our simple life, we are going to do our easy and delicious green smoothie. So let's go to our garden. Take a look. Today's a rainy day, so it's kind of looking all wet and a little gloomy. But we're going to pick here this delicious kale to add to our smoothie. Look at that. It's beautiful. And we tend to pick the foliage that is losing kind of its color, just so we can, and we take it from the bottom portion, just so we could keep harvesting it. There we go. We have some more. So this should give us our cup of kale that we're gonna need for our smoothie. We get some extra, just in case. Sorry for the camera movement. I'm like trying to harvest and focus the camera at the same time. But you get the idea. I think we have a nice set of kale. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it. So we're going to get white vinegar and water, and we are going to put like just like a tablespoon, like a capful, and we're going to soak it just to get all the dirt and debris. So I like to do that. And I like to soak them very well and clean the foliage and the kale really good. And if you like, you can trim the stem. So I soak them and do that. And then I repeat, you see all the debris. So I go ahead and I dump that water out, and then I repeat the process again just to make sure that I remove everything. And the way that we do our gardening, we don't use any chemicals. So it's natural organic gardening. So we just want to make sure that we just get the debris, especially since it was raining, so there's going to be a lot of splashing of dirt. There you go. I think we got that. So now here we're going to go over all of our ingredients that we're going to need. In addition to this, we have an apple, we have a banana, we have a cup of pineapple, and then we have 2 cups of water. Then we have our greenery, we have our kale. Great, and then we have half a celery stalk, and that's optional. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you, this is how we cut our apple, and then we remove the core, like so. There you go. So that, and then we just drain the kale that we just cleaned. There you go. So we just put that in, that could be like a cup full estimated of kale. Voila. I'm gonna go ahead and add our apple, and we're gonna have our cup of pineapple. We get a whole pineapple and we cut it and we dice it in chunks, and we keep it in the freezer like so. We're kind of running out. This is our morning routine, so we do this juice every morning. Now we have a whole banana, and you can do the same thing with the banana. If you have ripened bananas, you can freeze them, and that's where you're gonna get your sugar content. So your sweetness is gonna come from your banana. Depending how ripened your banana is, that's how sweet it's going to make your smoothie. We add the water, like so, and that is it. So you have all your ingredients. And you can add additional ingredients if you like the celery or cucumber, just to make it a little bit more fresh. So I opted to go ahead and add a little bit of celery that I had. So we're gonna add that. Now we're going to seal it again, and we're going to go ahead and blend. Put it on our NutriBullet, and let's just see right now, and it's just blending. There it is. A little bit out of focus, but here we go. So this is a great morning, or you can really do this smoothie at any time of the day. We prefer to do it our first meal of the day. It's a great way to start our day, and it's really packed with nutrients. So here we go. So we have, these are 8-ounce cups, even though they don't look like it, but they hold a lot. And so we are able to get 2 complete cups. And that's it. And it is delicious. You need to try it. Let me know in your comments if you try, okay? Get your morning started with this awesome, delicious green smoothie. Thank you for watching, and enjoy. Bye-bye.